What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Future Affiliate Pro. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the beginners. All right, so if you just came over from TikTok, like I know a lot of you guys have came over and subscribed to my channel, you're going to want to watch this video because this is going to be affiliate marketing basics one-on-one. This video is made specifically for you guys who are really wanting to learn about affiliate marketing, don't know really where to start. So I'm making this video. It's going to be a 20,000 foot level. All of the elements, it's going to be 6 steps on exactly how affiliate marketing works and how you can start doing affiliate marketing for yourself. Okay, so make sure you guys stick around all the way to the end of this video. There's going to be tons of different little nuggets that you're going to really want to make sure you catch, because if you miss just one thing or another, your affiliate marketing start is going to be really bumpy. Okay, so just make sure you guys stick all the way to the end of this video, and it's going to be a really good one. All right, before we get into the basics of affiliate marketing, if you guys like this content, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I come out with new videos. I come out with weekly videos talking about all things affiliate marketing, and I create these videos so that you guys can have actionable content to go out and create time, location, and freedom for yourselves by building an online business with affiliate marketing. All right, so also hit that like button because you know it helps the algorithm. So let's get into affiliate marketing, and it really all starts with the sales funnel. And I know this may look a little complicating to a beginner, but trust me, I'm going to walk you through some of the elements of this, and by the end of this video, you will have a really good grasp on how affiliate marketing works. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is you really want to start with the product, right? The product is the utmost importance, because if you don't have a high converting product that when people land on their sales page will want people to purchase it, and it's a desirable product or service, if you don't have that product right, trust me, you're not really going to make a lot of sales. It's just going to be really difficult unless you really jam a lot of traffic towards a particular product or service. So the first thing you're going to want to do is choose a product, and that product can be a service, it can be a physical product, it can be a digital product, it can be all kinds of things, but just make sure you choose a product that converts. Now, the main product that I promote is Legendary Marketer. It's a digital education company that teaches people how to do digital and affiliate marketing. Okay, just like I'm teaching you right now, only they do it at scale with a robust educational system. Now, their products are very high converting because their value is so high. They have a huge community. They have a lot of tutorial videos. I'm talking hundreds of tutorial videos. So they're set up in a value ladder to be very high converting for people who are looking to build online businesses. Okay, so that's one product that I chose to become affiliated with. Now you guys can go out and you can choose any product you want, but just remember that it just needs to be a high converting product that's in demand. Okay, there has to be people searching that have problems. They're searching for a solution, and that's where your product or service will come in. Okay, so here on the sales page, that's going to be your product or service. All right, now this is a very simplified sales funnel where you just have an opt-in or lead capture page, which then sends people over to a sales page, and that sales page, who you partner up with, sends them to an order form or a checkout page where they would check out and you would get the commission. Now, it's really important that the elements of this you set up properly, and at the very basic, as a beginner, you're just going to need to set up an opt-in or lead capture page. And the way you can do this is by purchasing some funnel building software. There's a lot out there like Drop Funnels, Click Funnels, Groove Funnels, Lead Pages. There's all different types of one. I recommend just going out and trying some. I use Click Funnels. I have a link down below. I'm an affiliate for them. I've been using their products for 18 months and it's been fantastic. And their products are really easy to use to set up your landing pages and squeeze pages. So the first thing you're going to need to do is make sure you set up your opt-in lead capture page. It's going to have a very simple, the reason you need this page is because you need to bridge people from the traffic source to the actual product sales page, okay? And this is a very important step because you need to do two things. You need to introduce people to whatever product or service they're about to go and look at, right? So you're building congruency within your opt-in page. And then the second thing you need to do is you make sure you capture their email. The reason you need to capture their email is so that you can follow up with them if they don't purchase the product. 7 to 10 times is the normal amount of times that people need to actually visit a sales page before they want to make a purchasing decision. So that opt-in lead page is super important for you to grab their email, because you're always going to want to be building your list, to which your affiliate link will be in the opt-in button. So once they enter their name and email in, they'll hit the button. When they hit that button, it sends them to your affiliate link. It's going to be your URL that the product or sales company that you partner with, they're actually going to give you your unique URL. And if anybody clicks and uses that URL on their site and decides to make a purchase through their order form or checkout, you would earn a commission. And that's generally the sales funnel for affiliate marketing, okay? So the next step in this process, which will be step number 3, is you're going to want to make sure you set up your autoresponder. The greatest thing about affiliate marketing is that there's a lot of automation built into it, which means that once you have your funnel set up and your autoresponder sending your emails automatically for you when you tell it to send it to your lead, everything is automated for you. The only thing you have to do then is create content on whatever type of platform you want to, which will target your ideal audience. And those autoresponders, there's dozens of them out there. I use GetResponse. I find it to be one of the best, more affiliate marketer friendly autoresponders, but it's also an autoresponder that's very, very easy to use. In fact, I learned how to use it in the span of just about a week, okay? And there are a lot of moving pieces to affiliate marketing, but don't let this autoresponder really slow you down, okay? All you're doing is you're connecting your funnel with your autoresponder and those things, and that only takes about 5 minutes. It's very, very simple. When people enter their email information in, it gets sent down to your initial email. Now that initial email will actually be, it will go out to your, you can have it set for an hour, 6 hours, 12 hours, a day, 2 days. You can have your emails go out to your leads whenever you decide that you want to do that. I typically just do 1 email per day, and you can do it for as long as you want, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, however long you think it's going to take before that lead probably isn't going to purchase the product. All right. So that email follow-up sequence, sending them back to the sales page, is a very important step of affiliate marketing. And not to be forgotten, within those emails, you need to learn how to write copy, right? And those emails need to be value-based emails. They need to add a little bit of intrigue. They need to give people the value of the particular product or service that you're promoting, because you want them to click the links that are in that email that send them back to the sales page, okay? So this step of writing copy in emails is very, very important. And there's lots of different books that you can, I highly recommend reading .com Secrets and Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. I'll also leave a link in this video down below in the description to Traffic Secrets, which Russell Brunson is the creator of ClickFunnels, the funnel building software, and he's a marketing genius. And there's a bunch of different ways that you can write copy inside of your emails in that book that will help increase your conversions and get people back to that sales page. All right, we're now on to step 5. And I told you, I'm keeping this as simple as possible. I don't want to waste your time. I want you to get the very basics of what affiliate marketing is. So step 5 is going to be traffic. Traffic is going to be, once you get everything set up, is your number one job as an affiliate marketer. You need to start creating content. And I don't really care how you do it. If you decide to do it blogging, that's great. Learn how to use WordPress or some kind of website building software where you can start posting articles if you don't want to put yourself on camera, use video. But the best thing you're going to want to do is start creating video content, because 80% of people would rather consume their content via video than anything else. Okay? So I recommend starting on TikTok, starting on YouTube, and starting on Facebook, where you can put video content of yourself providing value about a certain product or service, which will then, through the algorithms, those particular platforms will then serve your content to people who are looking for a solution to their problem. Okay? And you can see here, I created all these different traffic sources which you can use. You just need to choose one and go all in for the first 3 to 6 months and create as much content as possible around that product or service. Okay? So if you want to do TikTok, I highly recommend TikTok because it's such a great platform for organic reach. And by organic reaches is I could put out a 15-second video and get 5,000 views within 24 hours. That's a lot of eyeballs towards your promotion or whatever product or service you're trying to promote. You're trying to show people this product or service can solve any or one of their problems. TikTok does an amazing job of being able to get people over to your landing page to opt in so that they can check out the product or service for themselves, right? You're just connecting people with your short funnel here, taking people from the opt-in over to the sales page. All right. I started with YouTube. I then followed up with TikTok, and I now have included this after this summer. I included Facebook because all three of those platforms to me are very, very, they're just really developed platforms for video, and video content is what converts people today. All right. I cannot overstate the importance of driving targeted traffic to your sales page. And once you start building up an email list, the greatest thing about the email list is now you can take those emails and you can provide people with links back to your TikTok, back to your YouTube channel, back to your Facebook. You can get an intermixing of people from different platforms, and you can now spread them all across these different platforms so that you can provide content to them from many, many different angles. This is really important in marketing. You want to be omnipresent. You want to be absolutely everywhere so that when people go into these different platforms and they consume content, your face needs to be there. All right? I hope that makes sense to you guys. So the last piece to this is going to be paid advertising. So obviously you can create as much organic content, just raw, your content, targeting whatever niche that you guys want to target, whether it be make money online, or you could do something like health and wellness or health and fitness niche. You can do pretty much affiliate marketing for absolutely anything. There are hundreds of thousands of products out there today that have affiliate programs for them. So whatever you're interested in, you can go and do some research on Google and try to find certain products that you resonate with, that you think you can promote, and you can go ahead and start creating content around that. The way you can take it to scale is by using paid advertising. Now, all of these platforms, they all have advertising platforms. So TikTok has an advertising platform. YouTube does. Instagram and Facebook are together. They both have an advertising platform. Also, you can use solo ads. Solo ads, well, whereas I don't use them that often, but you can get access to people's 50 or 100,000 person email list, and you can pay them per click. Now, these are just ways of forcing your content and forcing your opt-in or capture page in front of people who are already targeted, because these advertising platforms, you're able to select, because they have their algorithms, And these people their data is captured. So when you set up an ad, you can target specifically people who are trying to lose weight or people who are trying to build a business online. All you have to do is select it, and then you let their algorithms go out and find those people for you and place those ads in front of them. Okay? So this is the basics of affiliate marketing. You have your traffic. It comes in. Once they see your content and they're interested in it, they will then click on your link. That will open up, it will send them to an opt-in or a lead capture page. They will enter their email address in, and once they hit the opt-in button or they show me more or learn more or whatever it may be, your affiliate link is attached to that button. It sends them over to the sales page of the product or service that you're providing. That email is captured by you, and automatically every single day for however long you have written your emails for, they will get sent back to the sales page. Okay? And if they make a decision to purchase whatever product or service that you're providing, then you earn the commission on the back end. And that's the end of this whole sales funnel is that you earn the commission when they come in using your affiliate link. Okay? So if you guys have any questions about the basics of affiliate marketing, leave them in the description down below. I would be more than welcome to answer all of your questions. Also, if you guys want more support, community clarity, anything like that, make sure you guys head over to my Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description down below. It is a private Facebook group. Make sure you answer some of the questions before I let you in. You just have to answer a few questions for me. But there is a huge community in there. I have almost 900 people as of today is about October 14th. I have almost 900 people in there, and we're soon to be at 1,000 members. Okay, so if you want to be a part of a community of people who are learning affiliate marketing, who are successful with affiliate marketing, and who are super affiliates with affiliate marketing, my community is probably one of the best places for you to start. You guys already know, if you guys got value out of this video, make sure you guys drop me a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps get my channel to be shown by a lot more people. Therefore, I can continue to grow my sphere of influence, and I can continue impacting other people's lives, helping show them the way and how they can make and build an online business with affiliate marketing. All right. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.